before we launch into long division, we're going to do a few questions that require short division or don't require bus stop method at all. So this one will need bus stop method. 72 divided by 3. You will have done this before year 5. So we're going to put 72 in the bus stop and we're going to divide it by 3. So 70 divided by 3 is equal to 20, with a remainder of 10 that's carried over to the ones column to make 12. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24. Now we have the question 6,600 divided by 6. So pause the video now and have a go. I would do 66 divided by 6, which I know is equal to 11. And as the actual calculation was 66 with 2 placeholders of 0 on the end divided by 6, then I know I need to just put those 2 placeholders of 0 on the end of my 11. So 6,600 divided by 6 is equal to 1,100. So again, it's your turn. Try 640 divided by 8. So I would do 64 divided by 8, which I know is 8 because 8 times 8 is 64. And therefore you know that 640 divided by 8 would be equal to 80. So well done. Now try 561 divided by 3. So 561 divided by 3. We're going to do bus stop method. 500 divided by 3 is 100 with 2 hundreds remaining. 26 divided by 3 is 8 with 2 remaining. That we bring over to the ones column, 2 tens remaining that we bring over to the ones column. So that was 26 tens divided by 3 was 8 tens with 2 tens remaining. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Therefore, 561 divided by 3 is equal to 187. So well done. Now try 630 divided by 7. Pause the video and have a go. I know that 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. And therefore 630 divided by 7 would be equal to 90. As you can see, you don't always need to use bus stop. So now we're going to do an example together. We're going to do 598 divided by 13. So we're going to start with looking at 500. I can't fit any group of 1300s into 500s. Instead of looking at 500, we're going to look at 59 tens. How many lots of 13 tens would fit into 59 tens? We can see that 52 tens would fit into 59 tens, and that's 4 lots of 13 tens. which means 40. So we put a 4 in the tens column at the top. Now we need to take away 52 tens from the 59 tens. So we need to do 598 minus 520, and that is equal to 78. I can't fit any groups of 13 tens into 70, and therefore I need to think of this as 78 ones. I know I can fit 6 lots of 13 into 78 ones, and therefore I put a 6 in the ones column above. "78 minus 78 is equal to 0, and therefore 598 divided by 13 is equal to 46. Now you're going to have a go at 986 divided by 34, so pause the video now and have a go. I'm going to start off by writing out the multiples of 34, just to make this easier for me. I know I can't fit 34 hundredths into 900, so I'm going to think of this as 98 tenths. I know I can fit 68 tens into 98 tens, which is 20 lots of 34. So I put 2 in the tens column above, and then I need to minus 68 tens. Obviously we've already found out how many 34s go into that. So 986 minus 680. Six minus 0 is 6. 80 minus 80 is 0. And 900 minus 600 is 300. So 986 minus 680 is 306. Now I need to find out how many 34s go into 306. I can see that 9 34s go into 306, and therefore I need to put the digit 9 in the ones column, and therefore 986 divided by 34 is equal to 29, as 306 minus 306 would be equal to 0. Make sure you've finished all steps of the calculation, including making it 0 at the end if there's no remainder, and then put your answer in the answer box. So we need to put 29 in the answer box. So now we're going to do an example together of long division with a remainder. So you're going to do this one with me. We're doing 359 divided by 16. I'm going to start off with writing out my multiples of 16. "16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128, 144, 160. So I know I can't fit any lots of 1600 into 300. So I need to think of this as 35 tens. I know I can fit 32 tens into 35 tens, and therefore I can fit 20 16s into 35 10s. So I put a 2 in the tens column. So I need to do 35 10s minus 32 10s. $350 minus 320 is equal to 30. We bring down the 9. You can do it all as one, or you can do it separately. So now we need to find out how many 16s fit into 39. We can see that 2 16s fit into 39, as 16 times 2 is 32. And now we need to do 39 minus 32. So we need to make sure we've put the 2 in the answer at the top. And we have a remainder of 7. We can't fit any 16s into 7. So this is a remainder. So 359 divided by 16 is 22 with a remainder of 7. So now it's your turn to have a go at long division with a remainder. You're going to have a go at 215 divided by 14. So pause the video now and have a go. I know that I can't fit any groups of 14 hundreds into 200. So I'm going to think of this as 21 tens. I'm going to write out my multiples of 14 as before to make this easier for me. 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84. I can see that 14 tens would fit into 21 tens, and therefore I will put a 10 in the answer above. Now I need to do 215 minus 140. I bring down the 5, so now we have 75. So now we need to see how many 14s fit into 75. I can see that 70 fits into 75, and that is 5 14s, so we put a 5 at the top. So now I need to do 75 minus 70, and that's equal to 5. I can't fit any 14s into 5, so that's a remainder. So the answer to 215 divided by 14 is 15, remainder 5. So this is our final question. So read the question, pause the video and have a go. The question is asking you to fill in the missing boxes. So just as usual, I am going to start by writing out the multiples of 12 to help me with the question. I know I can't fit any groups of 12,000 into 4,000, so I need to think of it as 4,300. I know I can fit 3 groups of 1,200 into 4,300, so I put a 3 in that box. Now we can see that there is one box left that we need to fill in. Something is equal to 4 12s with a remainder of 1. I know that 4 12s are 48, so 49 would be 4 12s with a remainder of 1. So the 9 needs to go in the missing box.